Hello everyone, I'm Daniel. So lately I've been posting about nexus-mm. Nexus-mm is a world model AI that learns physics from scratch and trains robots to understand how the real world works. So it tells robots when to move and when to slow down, when to stop, not from rules, from real physics, friction, gravity and stability. Right now I'm testing the APIs. This is the front end. So my next step is to test the APIs. Let me start by So these are the commands I'm going to run for the test of the API. So let me get my terminal. Mhm. Now let me copy this command. Now let me run the first test. So as you can see, start is healthy. Let's test the other one. Uh, Confidence 0.2 is working. So let's test this other one. Those commands you're seeing are series of commands I wrote and I send it through my Gmail. So let's test this one. As you can see, it's working. And let's test the final one. So the API in nexus-mm is working as expected. So robots now can connect. Robot users can now connect their robots using their robot's brain, either ESP or Arduino, the one that can reach the internet using Wi-Fi. So if they can connect it using API to their robot's brain, and nexus-mm can send um, physics calculations and everything to the robots. So as you can see, anyone can use this model. Here is the dashboard and everything. Let's let me show you around. Let's test stand for example. Because as I said before, I've been posting about nexus-mm. My users already know about this system. So as you can see, it's working. My users have installed the SDK and everything, and I think they're loving it. So here is the physics stuff. So now as you can see, the API is working. See the action stop bricks. The API is returning response. These are response that is going to give in or feed into the robot brain. This is a proof of nexus-mm working. And this during this week, I've tried and connected nexus-mm to real life robots. And as you can see, I'm going to share the video with you guys. You notice how the robot was slowing down when it was climbing another surface to pass through the road. So here it is. You notice how the robot was slowing down when it was climbing another surface to pass through the road.